Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to add watermark for all the images. Example, I'm going to add watermark more than 5 images. This is my folder, add watermark. So I have 10 images. Right now, no watermark in this. Open your Photoshop and just click and drag this image, okay, on Photoshop. So it's a JPEG file. See, it's a JPEG file. So I'm going to create it now. So here, first I will create the folder. Okay, so watermark. So it's a JPEG file. Then we need to create new action. Okay, so in order to enable that, right, so go to window and click this actions, or keyboard shortcut is Alt F9. So here also I'm going to name it watermark actions. Cool. So now what I'm going to do is, now I'm going to record it. So now you can see the record button is enabled. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, I need to click on this text. So I'm going to type something. So text ash something, I'm going to add it. Okay, and again selecting the move tool. Okay, and I'm going to rotate it. Okay, and I'm going to emboss it first. So I need to emboss it. Okay, text is added. Now what I'm going to do is, so here right click. Okay, right click and blending options on the text layer. Super cool. So here I'm going to enable that bevel and emboss, enable it. Tick the box and then reduce the fill up to, okay, this is good, right? So it is added. Now it is blended completely. Okay, then give OK. If you're okay, right, with your watermark, and then, so now I'm going to select this two layers, select the layers and hold shift key and right click, merge layers, or you can give Control E. Fine. Now it is merged. You can see here the script is generated. Okay, cool. Now what I'm going to do is, now I'm going to save it. Now we need to save this file. So click on file and then go to save as. And here, right, you can create a JPEG file. Also, you can create a new folder after watermark. So I'm going to keep the same name and click on save. And here we need to give OK. Cool. The file also saved successfully. So now you can stop. You can stop the recording and then I'm going to close all. And now I'm going to create a batch. So go to automate under file. So file, automate and batch. So here you need to select that certain actions which we created. So here, right, I created watermark for all as a set. So this is the action, I created watermark actions. And here you need to select the folder. Choose the folder. Mine is add watermark. Okay. So I'm selecting it. And then now we need to choose the destination. You can create a folder, but already I have it, right? Already I had set the folder under add watermark. So here the destination, here I'm going to choose save and close and going to give OK. Yes, this automation is started, I guess. We'll see the after watermark. I am going to open it. Okay, I did one mistake. Okay, so watermark is created actually. Here you can see watermark is created in the all images, but also you can see there is a text. So I'm going to remove that because it is recorded in the script. So going back to Photoshop and click the latest file and go to the script. Okay, so here the text layer, right? I think here this one I need to remove. And this one, yes, lorem ipsum. remove, and the third one, this is the right one. Okay, so this is the right one. So now the text layer is deleted. Now I'm going to run it. Okay, example, same actions, I'm going to run it. So now it's removed. Then perfect. I'm going to run as a batch because in this folder I have 10 images. I'm going to delete this and going to add the new one. Fine. So going to close this and then automate batch. The set and action is set. So choose the folder. So on the destination also, I'm going to choose this, save and close, and then give OK. This time I should not be getting any textures. Yes, it's generating. Wow, the watermark is so cool. See? Super cool. Fine. Here you can see there is no watermark, and here I'm going to show there is a watermark here. See? So that's it, friends. Is the way you can automate and you can add watermark more than one images. That's it, friends. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any doubts, just comment it. Okay, if I know, definitely I will reply. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and share if you like. Thank you so much. Bye.